Here's a perfect example of why a keen eye is so crucial when it comes to pest control. As you can see, underneath all of these decorative garden rocks lies a hidden colony of carpenter ants. Carpenter ants are wood-destroying insects and receive their name because they excavate wood in order to build their nests. They don't eat wood like termites do. They range in size from a quarter of an inch to a half an inch in length and are usually black in color. However, they can also be red or brown. For treatment, we're going to apply a granular bait to this area and to all the landscape beds. Afterward, we're going to treat this area, as well as the entire exterior of the home, with a liquid non-repellent residual. The carpenter ants will come in contact with both of these products, return to their nest, and share the treatments with each other and their queen. A short while later, the carpenter ants will be exterminated.